If you're looking for different ways to make money online, in this video, I'll be going over 5 different side hustles that could potentially turn into full-time incomes and you can make money online. So first, let's go to Google. I'm in the incognito mode to start. That way it's not showing all of my own personal information. And we're going to search Amazon KDP. Now, to be transparent, you're not guaranteed to make money from any of these side hustles, but there is a potential. None of these are going to be a get-rich-quick thing, although you could be that 1% that gets lucky. And I'll just be going over a brief overview of each side hustle, and you can decide if it's something that you're interested in pursuing. So first, type in Amazon KDP. Let's go to the KDP website. This is what it'll look like. It is completely free to sign up for KDP. And what this is a book publishing platform. So you can create paperbacks, hardcovers, ebooks, and these can be low content, medium content, and high content. And what that means is low content are like your notebooks and journals. High content are like your novels or potentially even workbooks if they're very involved and have a lot of pages and different things to do. So all you need is to create an account. Again, it is free to create an account. It is free to publish your own books. It does cost money to do ads, and depending on how you run your KDP business, it could cost money to create books. However, there are lots of different free ways to also create and publish your interiors and covers. So this is a great side hustle to start if you're not looking to have any sort of startup cost. You do not need to spend money to sell books on KDP, and these books will be sold right on Amazon. So you don't have to go out looking for your market. You can focus on organic sales if you'd like to. Organic sales means sales without using ads. So Amazon gets lots and lots of traffic every single day, typically one of the most popular platforms to buy off of. So this is a great place to start. Even if you don't have any experience, there are loads and loads of YouTube videos and tutorials out there. KDP has their own help section and their own tutorials as well. You earn different royalties on the book. So highly recommend checking this out if it's something you're interested in. This can turn into a great passive income if after you publish your books that you start making sales organically or even with ads if you figure out a way to not have to monitor your ads all the time. Then you can just make sales without even having to do anything. This is one side hustle that I personally currently do, and I'm working to turn this into a full-time income. I'm just not currently there yet, but this will take time, it will take effort. It is most likely not going to be easy. So if it's not something that you want to, if you're not looking for something to actually put a lot of time and effort into, then I probably wouldn't recommend this because this is going to take a lot of time and effort. However, all of the side hustles I'm mentioning today are going to take a lot of time and effort, and I think that is the same with most businesses. So moving on to the next one, I'm just going to type in youtube.com in the search bar here. This is another great side hustle that you can start, but again, you're probably not going to make money right away from YouTube. However, you can create an account for free as well, which is amazing. You can even have multiple accounts. Find whichever niche you want to do. You can get monetized on YouTube, make money from AdSense and memberships. You can also make money in so many different ways on YouTube. You have brand deals and then you have affiliate marketing, which we will go over next. And you can develop partnerships with other creators. There are so many possibilities on YouTube. So this is another great one to get started with, but it's not going to be easy. Again, it's going to take a lot of time, effort, and consistency, but the payoff can be huge. There are people making a lot of money on YouTube. For example, if you look on the homepage here, there is one creator who makes a lot of money from YouTube, and you may already know that channel already. So this is definitely a potential, but I wouldn't expect to go viral on the first day, although it could happen. But for me personally, it took me about 10 or 11 months to become monetized and make money from AdSense on YouTube. However, like I said before, you can make money in other ways from affiliate marketing and a few other options. So moving on to affiliate marketing, there are a lot of possibilities with this. This is something that you could start right away, even if you don't really have a social media following. Affiliate marketing is where you have your own unique link for a company. Most of the time, it's a link that you can share or some sort of storefront or page that you have. And when people click on your link and buy their product, you receive a commission. So it's at no extra cost to that person. For example, I'll go to Amazon affiliate and we'll look at Amazon's affiliate program. Have you ever been on one of your social media platforms or talking to your friends and family and you recommend a product to them? Someone's looking for a really great vacuum or a really great food prep container or something like that, and you recommend a product to them. This is exactly what affiliate marketing is. They go out and buy that product, but if they just bought it off of your link, then you would have earned a commission or a percentage of that, and it wouldn't have cost them any extra, but it's the same concept of recommending products or services to other people. So Amazon Associates has a program, Walmart has a program, Best Buy. There are a lot of different companies out there with programs where you can develop your own storefront and advertise your link. So this is another way that you can earn money. Some people do make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, and it just takes time. If you don't have the audience yet, then it's okay. But there are so many different ways you can do this. Like I said before, you could do this even with friends or family. Just be transparent and upfront about using your affiliate link. Don't try to be sneaky about it or hide it or anything like that. It's not going to cost people anything extra, at least it shouldn't. So most people don't really mind using your link because it's just a win-win situation at that point. But definitely be upfront and honest about it. Don't try to trick anybody into it. Next is going to be Etsy. And there are a lot of different websites and platforms where you can sell products on. I do have an Etsy shop. I haven't developed a lot of products yet. I plan to make more, but this is one that I'm really think can also bring in a good amount of income. There are people who have made a lot of money from Etsy. So if you have any sort of skill that you'd like to share, or if you want to get into digital products, there are a lot of different opportunities to do this. And I'm just going to do Etsy shop, sign up, and see what page so you can create your account. It is free to create your Etsy account. It does cost, I believe, 20 cents or something to potentially do a listing, I think. But if you sign up using somebody else's link, sometimes there are free listings that you get. So there are ways to start Etsy for free. And then moving on to our fifth side hustle that you could potentially start. This is going to be Fiverr. Now, there are a lot of websites that offer a similar service to this. I believe Upwork may be another one. But if you go to Fiverr, you can offer whatever skill you may have. This is freelancing. So if you have digital marketing as a skill, or music and audio, or writing, business, there are so many different ways that you can offer services to people. You can create your profile. I think that it is free also to create your profile, potentially. I'm not entirely sure. I was signed up for a little bit, so I think it is free. But again, this is probably going to take time to build an audience and get your name out there, but this is also something that you could do and be able to create income from it. So I hope these 5 side hustles that I've mentioned are helpful. There are a lot of side hustles out there. I understand that it can be overwhelming, but I recommend picking 1 or 2 to get started with and see how you like it and then go from there. And I really hope that this video was helpful in some way. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video.